Okay, you put some petri dish, and like here. Okay, this is
Do you
just this thing.
put it on, like, how do you...
Here is okay, I think so. Or you could just prepare some stand here.
Okay.
The table, small table, like, okay, anything is okay.
Okay.
And we put here sample, and after that, like this.
Close.
Yeah, close the shed. How do you call this?
Yes, yeah.
Shed, and turn on. This is for the preparation. I mean that. Okay, the air is supplied here. This is a pump here, and go to the outlet is under the water. Yeah, and humid air is supplied to this outlet, 10 times plasma
Do you have
source.
to change that off, like,
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to.
Okay.
Milky is better.
Okay.
Yeah, and please use the fresh. And
How much should we like put it?
oh, yeah, like this. 600 is the maximum.
How many times do you have to change it?
I think once in a week at least.
Once in a week, okay.
Yeah. I think every time is better.
Okay. Like every new
And-
experiment you do?
Yeah. And I think you have clean bottles elsewhere.
Yeah.
So please clean the inside of the bottle. Sometimes algae. No. Algae. Yeah. And the green
Yeah.
mold or we can find the algae inside the bottle. So please, it's better to replace the bottle and water, of course. And okay, we are ready now. And so sample and for just in case, this is to monitor the volt. Okay, let me explain roughly. And the structure of this system. So the commercial voltage is applied to here once. Okay, this is a programmable device. Okay, I will explain about this later. And this is so this. Thank you. And this is the voltage controller slider. So we can change the intensity, arrange the intensity of the voltage output to here. This is high voltage pulsar is included in this box. And finally, the high voltage is applied to this electrode, high voltage, okay? And behind this, there's a wire here, and you can see the tiny wire inside of this quad tube, tiny one, okay? And this is a ground electrode. Okay, the configuration is,
Or is it always set like the same way?
I don't think so. We don't need that. Yeah,
So you just have to like turn it on.
yeah.
Okay.
I think it's better in that case. Yeah. But I think sometimes unconsciously we probably touch here and the voltage changes. We can see, we can adjust the voltage by monitoring this voltage. For example, so this is a programmable device. I think with this device and that sample like this shape, I think 1 second is high. Is
Too long?
enough. Is enough.
It's enough,
Yeah.
okay.
So let me try 1 second.
Should
Like
we
this.
close the lid?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. And don't forget to turn this device on. This is the ozone monitor.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. I'll fix later. And please see this value. And this has our alarm system. if the value is more than 0.2, of course we can sense, but this sounds like beep 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 like this. So please shut down
Okay.
the system and report to him or me.
Okay.
Yeah. And okay, this is how we you adjust the program. So I'd like to on time 1 second. This means 1. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Bit complicated. So and off time 5 sec. Enter. And cycle. This means the repetition rate. Repetition. Cycle 5 times. This is 5. So sometimes it's complicated. So very easy. Oh, I'm sorry. This is for measuring the voltage, output voltage. This is low voltage, so we can monitor the voltage with this device, which is very cheap. And this line has a high voltage, so this doesn't work. Once connect, will be broken easily. Okay, so we by this high voltage probe, this decrease the voltage 1/1000. So we can detect by this oscilloscope. Yeah. So okay. Then we are now prepared everything. So if we start this like this, 1 sec, 5 second off, and again like this.
Don't even see it.
Yeah.
No, I don't see it.
Yeah, you see that? Here.
Okay.
Yeah.
I might
Here.
be blind. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's better for you.
So this 5 times turn, so no more high voltage is supplied.
Okay.
So we can.
You could tell by the wave it's basically on the screen.
Yeah. Again,
Okay.
let me explain about this. We need okay, like this. 1 second is too short, but okay. So we can see this value, peak to peak value. Too short to see. Okay. So, this is useful when something happens, because the pen, like plasma source, is broken. The voltage is become strange. Yeah. So you can report me the amplitude or behavior of the voltage, or you can send me the photos here. Photos.
No difficulty changed.
Yeah, this is very almost 0. High voltage is applied, but not high voltage is applied. Okay. And right now I tried to adjust it 130 voltage, but yeah, too fast.
You adjust the voltage in the block thing? This thing?
Yeah, here.
Right.
Yes, here.
Okay.
And this is still okay, because ozone cannot come out from this chamber with this length.
Okay.
But twice, no. Okay.
Okay. It's like don't open the whole thing. when
Yeah,
you're-
during the plasma
Okay,
radiation.
okay.
Yeah.
So what's the voltage set to?
Sorry.
What's the voltage set to?
Right now, 130.
Usually when we do it for like seedlings, what would we set it to?
I think it's better to decrease the voltage. So maybe okay. Let me 5 second on. Okay. And 5 seconds off. So you can see this voltage 130,
Yeah.
and see, you can see the discharge. Yeah,
Yeah.
and the maximum peak to peak voltage is 20 kV. I saw. Okay, again here, this is very important, and the frequency as well, 20 kV and 11 kilohertz. And see, I can. Okay, don't do that. Don't do this. Okay. Okay. Yeah, because to adjust the voltage, we have to do this. This area is very safe,
Okay.
but I think you are scared.
Like, where is it dangerous? Like,
Okay, yeah,
which area?
this
That
line,
that line.
Yeah.
Okay.
this line.
Okay. So we shouldn't touch that.
Mm.
Yeah.
It bit hurts.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
A bit hurts,
Just a little.
but we don't die,
Okay.
of course,
That's good.
because the current is very small.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes too long. If you touch too long, burn.
Oh, okay.
Black. The skin color is turned to be black, so please take care.
Okay.
But you can like this.
Okay.
Yeah, but
Okay.
that is sometimes you're injured because the voltage and the current is small, but you should be surprised. Yeah, we're surprised and like this,
Okay.
and this is serious problem, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. So, okay, let me decrease the voltage.
So this is for
Yeah.
like adjusting the time and like the cycle of it,
Mhm.
and that's the voltage. And this is the safety.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that one is the measuring. Okay. And
Yeah.
that is also the measuring. So
Mm.
there are two measuring.
Yeah.
Okay.
For
Cool.
low voltage, high voltage.
Oh, okay, okay.
So the pulsar works from the lower voltage, like 100 voltage,
Mhm.
but the output from the pulsar
It's higher.
here, yeah.
Okay.
See, if we apply 130 voltage volt, the output voltage is 20 kilovolt peak to peak.
Okay.
So in short, 10 kilovolt. It's
Okay.
very high. Yeah.
Okay.
If you don't touch, if you get closer like this, this spark, that discharge is generated.
Okay.
So you feel like a little bit shock.
Okay.
Please take care. That's it. And if we want to irradiate to plasma to cease, not like this type I made by myself. If we use this thing, then we have to do something. I mean, change the connection. Okay, so this is very easy, but some tips I have to tell you. Okay, this line is removed from here, and this is for like this, and this is, of course, we need to use this thing, and this says high voltage. So this is
Oh, so now
Bit
it's connected to
complicated.
High voltage.
Yeah.
But why would we use difference between low voltage versus high voltage?
to suppress the electric field. I didn't explain, but the electric field, intense electric field, is also generated during plasma radiation. But So this side is ground, this metal side, and this has a high voltage. The plant side should be the ground side, the ground, yeah. So to suppress the electric field effect. So the connection is like this. This is better to connect this. Okay, connected high voltage in the ground. So we don't need this here and connect it here. Ground. Okay, through this capacitor and the ground. I will make a SOP.
Okay.
SOP later, and I will share the
Okay.
file.
Do we put the C's on top, like
Oh no, here.
under there? Okay.
Under, yeah.
Should we like put something so it won't slip away, like the C's? Or,
Yeah,
like,
this.
should we put the
Can you
C's
see this?
like it?
It is a quartz plate here. Quartz plate.
Oh.
So, for the plasma Cs, we have to wash every time before plasma treatment with the ethanol, and before drying ethanol, we wash away with the RR water, okay, and wipe. And after completely dry, set here and put the Cs on this quartz plate.
Will the seeds roll away? Like each, or you just put one? How many seeds do you put at a time?
How many?
How many?
Depends, because the plasma is generated in this region, and I made this to fully cover this quartz plate, so you can place C's fully.
Okay.
But for example, rice seeds. Rice seeds is like this big.
Yeah.
You know, I think that
So
is
it's like
yeah.
really small.
Rabbitops. I tried
Like
several thousand.
Several thousand.
Yeah.
Okay.
I tried 2,000 last week. And rice seeds 200, and sorghum 200, and
Arabidopsis?
2,000 at least.
Mm.
We can put more, of course.
I don't think we'd be selling 2,000 seeds.
Yeah, every time, like 20 times like this.
Okay.
And they
Yeah.
last 2 weeks. You said in the presentation that once you're plasma radiating seeds, you can store them for 2 weeks.
Yeah, but the sorghum and in the case of sorghum and rice. So I'm not sure for Arabidopsis.
Arabidopsis. Okay.
Yeah, and I will check this weekend or next week. And we have I stored the seeds. I irradiated plasma last week, so it will be 1 or 1.5 weeks.
Okay.
So I will share the result.
So,
The behavior.
so for the Arabidopsis, so is it so okay to put the saran wrap or plastic underneath because easy to carry on, or so the bottom should be displayed?
Displayed.
Like so, if we put Arabidopsis seed here,
Mhm.
so difficult to collect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking.
I don't think so.
Oh.
Because I did. Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. This is removable.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Here.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't see that.
Mm.
Like this. But you know the static electric
Static.
static. Yeah.
Static electricity.
Static electricity is avoid has to connect to the Cs, and yeah, I have a better way. So I will share how.
Okay.
This is tips.
And we should wash them?
Yeah, every time.
Okay.
Before plasma irradiation.
Okay.
Yeah, because runs are accumulated on the surface of the quartz
Mm.
plate.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a way to like sterilize the seeds, right? So you don't have to, once we sterilize the seeds here, we can go straight to our experiment.
Not sure.
Okay. That's what I was wondering.
I
Okay.
am not sure. Yeah, please
Okay.
try. Please try. See what happens. I think Arabidopsis. Okay. So this is automatically turn off by yourself.
Like,
Okay.
is it by time?
Yeah, by
Okay,
time.
okay.
I think several minutes.
Okay.
So we are ready to generate plasma here. The plasma is generated behind this plate, okay? And unfortunately, this room is too. Plasma is not visible in this environment. But okay, let me try. So put this and check the connection. If the humidity is too low, I think 50 or something is better. Okay?
In
If the
winter,
30
this become 15 or 20.
15.
Yeah, winter.
I'm
Winter's cold.
But we have a
worry
huge
about- Yes,
humidifier.
yeah, please.
Mm.
Because the ratio of the reactive species are different, quite drastically different. So constant humidity is preferred.
It's very dry here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the disease and check the connection and okay. Same condition. So again. Too small voltage. Let me try again.
You change the voltage while you press start.
Yeah. Otherwise.
We could do that.
Yes.
okay.
Please don't.
Just don't put your hand
Just
there.
don't
yeah.
touch.
Yeah, touch.
Yeah,
That area. Okay.
Okay.
In my okay, so the discharge happens if the distance is 1 centimeter and 30 kilovolt is applied, and okay, for example, the plate is applied. There's a plate to which the voltage 30 kV is applied.
Okay.
So if you get closer within 1 centimeter, the discharge happens. Okay? So this is 20 kilovolt peak to peak at the maximum. Okay? And 0.20, roughly 10 kilovolt. So you can, for the safety, don't go closer within 1 centimeter. Okay? So theoretically, during the high voltage is applied, we can get closer like this. No discharge happens. But for just in case, please don't do that. Okay. And this time, high voltage is applied here. So this is dangerous area. Okay. And in this case, this has a higher voltage, high voltage electrode here. So you please don't close to this region. This is the dangerous area. So you can access here. Okay?
You said
If
for
we-
the plate, like we should put something under and then the plate. Okay.
Under this plate, yeah.
No, for the ceiling.
Oh,
For the
ceiling.
for the pinpoint, yeah.
Yep.
How do you set up the plate? Because you
Just-
have this one for seats tall. It's really tall, right?
Yeah.
How do we do ceilings?
This is just a hole here.
Oh.
Yeah, but
It's good to ask questions. Okay.
Just
Yeah.
in case we can't.
Yeah.
okay, I will do something. Or you can put something.
Higher.
Yeah,
Set
so
polymer
the
or-
height controllable.
Yeah, that's much better.
Yeah.
Much better.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
that's more stable.
Please
Yeah.
pay attention to the distance between the outlet and the sample
How
for
far?
reproducibility.
Like 1 centimeter, you think?
To be honest, I am not sure. It depends on the behavior.
Okay.
So you're asking me the distance?
Yeah, like the distance between the plate and the that.
Okay. Longer than 10 millimeter
Okay.
from this. Okay.
Okay, so like.
10 millimeter like this.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So like a one centimeter,
Mhm.
2 centimeters.
Yeah, 2
Yeah.
centimeter
Okay.
is okay.
Okay.
So, in this case, the voltage is decreased much. Please see what happened. Here. See. I'm sorry. It takes bit time for
Is it supposed to beep? Beep again?
yeah
Yeah.
beep.
Like beep.
Yeah, this is the coil. Coil emit the sounds.
Okay.
Sounds coil. Okay, high voltage source is included here
Okay.
in this silver box.
Okay.
That sounds.
Okay.
At first, you are going to use the pen-like
Yeah.
plasma
Yeah.
source. Yeah, which is very stable. Yeah, so it's better to use that one.
How many cycles would you do for seeds? Like for steering?
Of course depends, but for Arabidopsis, too many. Okay, let's go for rices. 1 minute and 5 minutes rest. And the cycle number of the cycle was 10. Totally 10 minutes plasma radiation intermittently. And the Arabidopsis, I think the Arabidopsis is very thermosensitive. So the plasma source is work as a heat source. So I just set 5 second on, 55 second off. Okay. And 2 hours.
2 hours?
So
2
yeah,
hours?
to irradiate the plasma for 10 minutes.
So,
I think.
to irradiate 10 minutes, it takes 2 hours. Because
Yeah.
Because it's 5.
Yeah.
5 seconds
5
and
seconds.
55 seconds left.
For 1 minute irradiation takes 12 minutes. So for 10 minutes irradiation, it takes 120 cycles.
Oh wow.
That means 2 hours. In this case,
Yeah.
oh,
With steroids.
it takes
We-
2 hours.
Yeah, so we
Two.
leave it in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it takes 2 to 4 hours to sterilize with chlorine gas,
Mhm.
and we leave it there.
Oh,
and it
you're
goes-
thinking about
Yeah,
sterilization.
yeah, that's what I'm
Oh.
saying. I think that's time consuming.
But
Yeah.
this you can leave it. Yeah.
Yeah.
This as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you
You
can
just
work.
press? Okay.
Yeah, but
Okay.
don't go away.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Be still. Please stay here.
And then what about seedlings? What do you recommend?
One time, 1 second, depending on the German. No,
Germination.
No, that plant. Gem.
And okay.
I presented today
Yeah.
as well. So in that case, 1 second is the plant can react. So at the beginning, 5 sec or something, because we have to see the obvious change. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So I think it's better to try huge dose. I mean, okay. Tough condition is better to see what happened. Wilted, I think it's for me it is success.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we go milder case. Irradiation time or voltage.
So here, so is there any consumable item like so? For example, UV lamp like 2,000 hours, so usually gone. And is there any?
Not
So
don't think so.
So the electronode, those are the one like should be fine.
Should be fine. And yeah. And of course we will if this is broken, I will send from Japan. But it takes 2 weeks or more, so I worry about that time.
And so when you turn off the item, is there any
Yeah.
particular order? So we should turn off this pass, those type.
Yeah, just okay. No order.
No,
No order.
Okay, no order.
No order.
Even though this can start, this is the last.
Yes, this is the last. I think no order actually. But yeah, for the last.